I'm Dr. Jeff Roth, and I'm one of the physicians here at Northeast Atlanta Ear, Nose, and Throat. I'm originally from New York and New Jersey, and I've been living here in the Atlanta area for about 25 years. I received my medical education at State University of New York at Syracuse, and then I did my residency at the University of Miami, and I did a fellowship at Cambridge University in England. Yeah, I think the reason I decided to go into medicine really dates back to working in my father's pharmacy as a young man. I started working there in my early teens and immediately noticed that doctors seemed to get the most attention. When a doctor was calling on the telephone, people dropped their work and went to answer the phone. So, I think that was the earliest interest. But then as I continued to work in my dad's pharmacy, I realized, medicine might be something that I'd be interested in. And the more I worked there and the more I understood what physicians did, the more I became interested in medicine. I really enjoyed medical school. I think I liked almost everything I did, with the exception of a few subspecialties. So choosing a specialty was pretty difficult. For me, I knew I wanted to be a surgeon. I wasn't sure what type of surgery, and then once I was introduced to ENT, it became so obvious to me that it was the perfect choice. I really enjoyed some of the detailed surgery, especially under the microscope. I loved the anatomy of the sinuses and trying to understand and really master treating sinus disease and surgery of the sinuses. And finally, I really liked head and neck cancer work, whether it was a tumor in the parotid or the thyroid or just other head and neck cancers. I got a great sense of how you could help people with those surgeries and being able to treat cancer. So the breadth and the depth of the surgeries, and then just the ability to treat so many different aspects of disease really drew me to ENT. What I've enjoyed most about being here at Northeast Atlanta ENT has been the ability to become close with both the people I work with and my patients and their families. I've been working at Northeast Atlanta ENT for over 25 years, and it's really been an amazing experience. We have a number of people who work alongside me who've been here for 15 or 20 years, and I've grown really close to all of them. Also, I have patients who've been with me for over 20 years, and it's just incredible to see a young baby who you may have put ear tubes in grow up and become an adult with a family of their own and be able to take care of not only that patient, but that patient's family. It's really been a joy and a blessing, and I feel really honored to have that experience in my life. One of the things I want people to know about me is that although I grew up in the New York City area, I have a really strong connection to Georgia. And I have 3 daughters, and all 3 of them have either attended or are currently attending the University of Georgia. So I'm actually a Bulldog at heart.